Hello everyone, it's Dr. Wafai. It's the second part of our training. In the last video we talked how to design a proper custom abutment for tools 1.5, and now we are going to design crown. As we are going to design the crown, we have the same properties that we have always: non-cement, no cement gap, and in case that you have some sharp edges, you can have more cement gap over there. And of course, additional space in 20 microns, as always. Now the software runs, and as you can see, we have some problem with space. So it means that in case that we are lucky, we have enough space for that. But look over here, we shouldn't have such angle, and it's better to form our teeth with proper angle. The contacts are not perfect. Okay, I'd rather increase the contacts, and the anatomy looks awesome. Maybe a little bit increase. Okay. Actually, I don't like the form of this teeth, and I prefer to alter one big deal with this kind of design is to have even marginal ridges. Sometimes we can't do that like this part because we have contact with opposing teeth, but uneven marginal ridge will lead to foot impaction, and the patient will not be happy with the results. But I try my best to make them even. Yeah, it's better, but I should be cautious not to intrude the neighboring teeth and not having some undesired shape. Okay. The buckle is beautiful, the margins are even, but of course I told you, because we have superior option and the opposing teeth we haven't proper design. So we should offer the patient to adjust the opposing teeth before we start the final restoration. Okay, thank you everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. I used the real patients file because I think have better teaching results, and you will encounter the real problems when designing. Not every case is like the prepared dentix with everything in proper position. So in the real world we have lots of problems with designing, and we should be ready to encounter them. Thank you, see you, and I hope you enjoyed this video.